Hi there, Chris here. I have this little 4 lever lever lock. Lever lock. And it has a number on here and a government crowfoot. And the number on the front is 513. There's the key. There's no number on the key, but it works well. It's a little tight here, but pardon me. Whew. Where was I? Oh, but the funny thing about it, it says 513 on the front, and if we look on the back, it says 1541, and I think that's an 8. So I'm not sure what that one designates to, and it's a Walsall lock and cart gear, and it has a date on it, 1950. Is that 1955. So it is a cool little lock. So I thought I would pick it, and this tensioner will pick it, but it gets stuck in there. This is a 1.4. So I took a little bit of time and made a smaller one. And this is a 1.2. And I also took the time to flatten it just a little bit more than I usually do, because it tends to get, the other one tend to get stuck after I picked it, and it was hard to get out. So hopefully this one is easier. I'll use the UK lockpicker cabinet tensioner and see if we can't get in here and get it picked. It doesn't pick real quick generally, but let's see. But you do get, eventually you get little movements. And you will get it open, hopefully. There's a little bit of movement. There's a little, tiny bit more movement. Get all the way to the back. Well, now it's just showing me up. There's a little movement. And it should you should be able to overlift it with that little crow's foot on there, but I don't have a small enough overlifter to try it. And I don't want to get something stuck in it, one too big in there and get it stuck. I think we're getting close, hopefully. One lever's fighting me a little bit. So when you put tension on a lever and it counter-rotates your, when you pick on a lever and it counter-rotates your tensioner, you want to add a little bit more tension to equalize that so you can get in. Now, I want to be careful to get this around and out, and we are open. So a very cool little lever lock. 513, and 15418 or 98, I think. Anyway, if you know what those mean, maybe Chris Jones knows, let me know in the comments. And because he knows one hell of a lot, Coxie knows a lot, Pompey knows a lot. All you British guys know so much about these, but I really like this. It's all brass. Very cool little lock. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave a comment or a question, and we will see you next time.